Alright, hello everybody. So today we have this data with us, right? And what we will do is we will do SUMIF and COUNTIF. So we will say what is the total number of sales by geography. So we have only two geography here, by city and by countryside. So we'll use the SUMIF formula to see the total sales that has been generated with the help of from the countryside city, from the geography city, and from the countryside. Similarly, we will also see the count of transactions that has happened for city and for countryside, and we will use COUNTIF formula. So let's get started. So you have your geography column here in E, which is with city and countryside, and you have your sales column in column J. Okay, so what will be the formula be? Now you'll give is equal to, you will say SUMIF, you'll open the bracket and they will ask you for the range. The range is for which sales you are looking for. You're looking for the geography, which is this column, right? So you put your cursor here on top of this column E column and click on this. So automatically this particular field will be selected, and then you give comma. And if you see, they're talking about criteria. Criteria is nothing but you just have mentioned it here, city. So whatever is the name here, the spelling should be same as this. So I click this way, or you can also give it in this format, whichever way works out. So I don't want to take a chance with the smelling, so I will select this particular column and then I'll say comma, and then they will ask you for the sum range. So what is going to be the sum range?